Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to import Photon private key to Phantom wallet. So currently we're in our Photon wallet, and at the top right corner you're going to click on the profile icon there, then select wallet management. Now here in wallet management you have your wallets. So in order to have a private key, since this is already created, we're going to click on generate wallet. Then here it says click generate to obtain your Photon trading wallet and private key, and that's exactly what we need. Click on generate, slide to the right, and we have our private key. So right here we have our address and our key. So we're going to click on the copy icon right here, and this will be copied successfully to the keyboard. Click on continue, and then you can say yes, you've already saved it because it's already in our clipboard. However, if you're not sure, you can simply go over to your notepad and paste it right there on your PC. Click on I already saved it after saving it. And now we're going to click on our Photon extension on our web browser. So you need to make sure you have the Photon extension on your browser. And then while it's clicked on here, we're going to click on the top left corner where we have A1, which is our profile icon. And then we're going to click down here, add or connect wallet. And here you can see import private key. You guessed it, we will be pasting the private key right here. We'll be giving it a name, say Photon, and then we'll be leaving Solana just as is. Click on import, and now we have our Photon private key imported on our Phantom wallet. And now just to show you that it's been successful, you can go over to the top left area, and here you can see AWJ3 and at the end GHM. And also with your wallet too, AWJ, GHM. So this shows you that they have been connected and integrated. So this is how to import Photon private key to Phantom wallet.